In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Slack subscription. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate through the Slack interface to manage your billing settings and end your subscription if needed. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack application. Ensure you are logged into the correct workspace associated with your subscription. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your Slack account. Next, locate and click on the home icon in the left sidebar. This will bring you to the main interface of your Slack workspace. Once you are on the home screen, ensure you can see your channels and direct messages listed on the left side. After that, find and click on Admin, located in the sidebar. This section allows you to access administrative options for your workspace. You will know you are in the right place when you see the admin dashboard with various management options. Proceed to click on Current Plan from the admin options. This section displays the details of your current subscription plan, including billing information. Confirm that you can see the plan details before moving on. Following this, click on Manage Billing to access further billing options. You will be directed to a page showing your billing history and subscription settings. It is important to verify that you are on the correct page to manage your subscription. Now click on Overview to see a summary of your billing details. Here, you can review your current plan and any upcoming charges. Make sure this overview matches your expectations before continuing. Finally, click on End Subscription to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation message may appear asking you to confirm your decision to cancel. Review this message carefully and confirm your choice. After completing this action, you should receive a notification confirming that your subscription has been cancelled. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.